The Atharvaveda, the sacred text of healing, protection, and spiritual wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow seekers of truth and enlightenment, it is with great reverence and humility that I stand before you today to explore the profound teachings of the Atharvaveda, one of the ancient scriptures that form the foundation of Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and culture. The Atharvaveda, often referred to as the Veda of the Atharvans, is a unique and mystical text that contains a collection of hymns, spells, charms, and incantations that are intended to heal, protect, and guide individuals on their spiritual journey. Welcome to the Big Network Spiritual, where you will be introduced to concepts of evolution and different philosophies that will help you become a better person and focus on the self. Like this channel, subscribe and share for us to be able to deliver high-value content on a weekly basis. Composed in Sanskrit thousands of years ago, the Atharvaveda is one of the four Vedas, the ancient scriptures of India that are considered to be the eternal source of knowledge and wisdom. Unlike the other Vedas, which focus primarily on rituals, sacrifices, and hymns, the Atharvaveda contains a diverse range of teachings that address various aspects of human life, including healing, protection, prosperity, and spiritual enlightenment. The hymns and incantations of the Atharvaveda are intended to be recited with faith, devotion, and sincerity in order to invoke the divine forces and seek blessings for the well-being of oneself and others. At the heart of the Atharvaveda lies the concept of healing and protection, both at a physical and spiritual level. The hymns and incantations of the Atharvaveda are designed to address various ailments, diseases, and afflictions of the body and mind, and to invoke the healing powers of the divine forces. The Atharvaveda contains prayers and mantras that are believed to have the power to cure illnesses, ward off negative energies, and bring about physical, mental, and emotional well-being. One of the key themes of the Atharvaveda is the concept of spiritual protection and guidance. The hymns and incantations of the Atharvaveda are intended to create a shield of divine protection around the individual, guarding them from harm, evil influences, and negative energies. The Atharvaveda teaches that by invoking the divine forces and reciting the sacred mantras with faith and devotion, individuals can create a protective barrier that shields them from physical and spiritual dangers. The Atharvaveda also contains hymns and incantations that celebrate the beauty of nature, the power of the elements, and the abundance of life on earth. These hymns express gratitude and reverence for the forces of nature, such as Agni, fire, Vayu, wind, Varuna, water, and Prithvi, earth, and acknowledge the interconnectedness of all living beings in the web of life. The Atharvaveda teaches us to respect and honor the natural world and live in harmony with the environment. Furthermore, the Atharvaveda contains passages that offer practical guidance on various aspects of life, such as ethics, morality, social conduct, and personal growth. These teachings emphasize the importance of living a virtuous and ethical life, upholding the principles of truth, honesty, compassion, and non-violence. The Atharvaveda encourages individuals to cultivate inner virtues, practice self-discipline, and strive for spiritual growth and self-realization. As we reflect on the profound teachings of the Atharvaveda, we are reminded of the timeless wisdom that lies at the heart of this ancient scripture. The Atharvaveda continues to inspire and guide millions of people around the world, offering a source of solace, inspiration, and spiritual nourishment in times of joy and sorrow. Its hymns, spells, and incantations serve as a bridge between the human and divine realms, connecting us with the cosmic forces that govern the universe. In conclusion, the Atharvaveda stands as a testament to the spiritual and intellectual achievements of the ancient Vedic civilization and the profound insights of its sages and seers. Its hymns, spells, and teachings continue to illuminate our path, awaken our consciousness, and deepen our connection with the divine essence that resides within and around us. Let us honor and preserve the sacred heritage of the Atharvaveda and draw inspiration from its timeless teachings as we navigate the complexities of the modern world. Thank you.